grab every opportunity to explore all the nooks and corners of Northeast India, I recently transported my motorcycle from Bangalore to my hometown. My brother and I made a quick plan to visit Bakalia, Karbi Anglong. The trip is about 230 kilometers from my hometown, and it was a 6-hour amazing ride on the scenic northeastern roads. The thrilling moment of the ride was cruising through the dense Nambar forest infested with wildlife. Karbi Anglong, or the land of Karbis, is the most underrated and unexplored treasure in Assam. It was in my must-visit place for a long time. A big shout out to Apurva for revealing such an amazing location. A short duration of 2 days don't make justice to explore the beauty of such a landscape. There are plenty of activities to be performed here, indulging in Karbi cuisine, the local wine, beautiful waterfalls, rivers, streams, mountains, culture, and so on. Enchanting Bakaliaghat, a small town situated in the heart of Karbi Anglong. The inhabitants of different communities make the place more beautiful, exciting and unique. The irrigation dam on the Jamuna river gives a unique identity to this place. During my stay, it was my go-to place for sunrise and dawn. I loved sitting there alone and gazing at the river, which made me feel relaxed and peaceful. Apurva was in full josh to become our tourist guide. His white Tata Altroz was also ready for our service. As per his itinerary, our first destination was Bheloghat, which is around 50 kilometers away from Bakalia town. Visiting to Dikrutpi or Bheloghat might be challenging due to its bad roads, but all the efforts made are truly worthwhile. Bheloghat Waterfall, a gigantic waterfall which will bound to leave you stunned. It is one of the falls that enhances the beauty and serenity of Karbi Anglong. The best thing about this waterfall is that it streams throughout the year. It was around 3 p.m. and we were damn hungry. Apurva had ordered the lunch over a phone call to a known dhaba. A dozen local dishes were served. We were gulping down all of it one after another. It was yummy. The rest of the day was well spent with Apurva's family while looking forward to the next day. We kept Langvoku and Karbi Heritage Museum for our second day itinerary. We finished with a healthy breakfast at Apurva's house. Thanks to Ma and Tsunami for taking all the trouble. The distance to Langvoku Waterfall was around 47 kilometers and about 1 hour journey. The connecting roads up to the waterfall were well maintained. The mesmerizing views throughout the roads made me crazy. Langvoku is only 10 kilometers away from the Manja town in Karbi Anglong. It is worth exploring the place. Barbecue pork and varieties of yummy local dishes are available to satisfy your taste buds. We found a spot to hang out and enjoy the water with our poison. And then here comes our brothers who are already camping and vibing among themselves. Sharing the cooked food is a tradition here. After satisfying our thirst and stomach, we went towards the waterfall through a rough forest path. This is a popular destination among the locals. It is a wholesome place to have fun with your friends and family. This place is a perfect gateway for adventure lovers. Langvoku Waterfall is one of the most mesmerizing falls I have come across. The place is undoubtedly beautiful by the surrounding lush greenery. Driving through the winding roads in between the dense sagun plantations took me to a different world. The place was amazingly beautiful and I couldn't resist myself to insist Apurva to stop the car to experience the breathtaking landscape. We pulled our remaining beers to chill out that moment for a while. Finally, the trip ended with a beautiful night view of the Karbi Heritage Museum at Taralangso, Diphu. Diphu is the headquarter of Karbi Anglong district and it's reachable from various ways. The most convenient way to reach here is via train or the national highway is an alternative to be considered. The nearest airport is Dimapur, Nagaland. I would recommend having prior communication with the local authorities about your itinerary. The memory of Karbi Anglong will stay forever. I will try to explore the natural beauty of this place more. Till then, bye bye, take care.